Hello, welcome to you all in our channel Banking Preparation. Today we are presenting label banking system, or we can say classification of bank and financial institution and its function. Now let's start the video. In Nepal, Bank and Financial Institution Act 2063 has classified banks and financial institutions into four classes. Commercial banks are A class, development banks are B class, finance companies are C class, and microcredit development banks are D class. Now let's describe the function of each banks. Functions of A class financial institution are follows: accepting deposits with or without interest and refund such deposits, supplying credit as prescribed by Nepal Bank, dealing in foreign exchange, supplying credit for hire purchase, hypothecations, leasing, housing and service business, lend loan on the guarantee of foreign banks or financial institution, engaging in merchant banking system subject to the directives of Nepal Bank. Likewise, issuing guarantee on behalf of its customers, supplying credit against the guarantee provided by any native or foreign bank or financial institution, issuing, accepting, paying, discounting or purchasing and selling letter of credit, bill of exchange, promissory note, check, traveler checks, drafts, issuing and accepting credit card, debit card, charge card and other financial instruments. Similarly, accepting, making payment and supplying credit through automated teller machines and cash dispensing machines, providing overdraft to the persons whom it trusts, purchasing, selling or accepting bonds issued by the Government of Nepal and the Nepal Bank, remitting or transmitting funds to different places within or outside the state of Nepal through bill of exchange, checks or other financial instruments. Likewise, carry on off-balance sheet transactions, arranging for safe deposit vaults, supplying credits not exceeding the amount prescribed by the Nepal Bank against individual or collective guarantee for the economic upliftment of the destitute class, low-income families, victim of natural calamities and inhabitants in any area of the country, buying and selling of gold and silver bullions. Now, these all are the functions of commercial banks. Now, let's see the function of development banks. Functions of development banks are follows: accepting deposits with or without interest and refund such deposits with or without interest, supplying credit other than hypothecations credit as prescribed by the Nepal Bank. Commercial bank provide the hypothecation credit, but development bank cannot provide the hypothecation credit. Supplying credit for hire purchase, leasing, housing and service business, dealing in foreign exchange subject to the laws in force and the directives given by the Nepal Bank, supplying credits against the guarantee of any native bank or financial institution. Likewise, issuing guarantee on behalf of its customer, issuing, accepting, paying, discounting or purchasing and selling bill of exchange, promissory notes, check, traveler checks, draft, etc., accepting deposits, making payments and supplying credit through automated teller machines and cash dispensable machines, issuing and accepting letter of credit as prescribed by the Nepal Bank. Similarly, transmitting funds within the state of Nepal through bill of exchange, check or other financial instruments, purchasing, selling or accepting bonds issued by the Government of Nepal and Nepal Bank, disbursing credit not exceeding the amount prescribed by the Nepal Bank, obtaining refinance credit from the Nepal Bank as per the necessity, disbursing installment or hire purchase credit to any person, firm, company or institution, operating projects such as purchase of land and construction of building for land development and residential purpose, and selling and managing. Therefore, these all are the function of development banks. Now let's start the function of finance companies. Accepting deposits with or without interest, disbursing credit other than hypothecation credit as prescribed by the Nepal Bank, disbursing credit for the hire purchase, leasing, housing and service business, carrying on merchant banking business, writing of credit subject to the by laws made by the board. Similarly, making proper arrangement of its assets, sell or rent the same, disbursing credit against the guarantee of any native bank or financial institution, obtaining credit against the security of its movable and immovable assets, supplying credit not exceeding the amount prescribed by the Nepal Rashtra Bank, exchanging with the Nepal Rashtra Bank or any other licensed institutions, particular of information of customers who have obtained credit or any kind of facility from it and other licensed institutions. Likewise, supplying credit to any person, firm, company or institution for hiring a motor vehicle, machine, tools, equipment, durable household goods or similar movable property or renting such movable property, issuing guarantee on behalf of its customers, acting as a commission agent of its customer, performing such other functions as may be prescribed by the Nepal Rashtra Bank. These all are the function of finance companies. Now let's discuss the function of B-class banks. The functions of microcredits development banks are follows: supplying credit as prescribed, supplying microcredit with or without any movable or immovable property as the collateral or security, obtaining loan or grant from any licensed institution or native or foreign organization, engaging in micro enterprises of such type as may improve the economic condition of low-income persons. Similarly, carry out necessary action for recovery of the microcredits on the time, obtaining credits by the pledging its movable and immovable assets as collateral and properly managing the assets, exchanging with the Nepal Rashtra Bank or any other licensed institutions, particular of information or notice on debtors or customers who have obtained credit or any kind of facility from it and other licensed institution, performing such other functions as may be prescribed by the Nepal Rashtra Bank. Therefore, these all are the functions carried out by the microcredit development banks. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to boost your knowledge, please watch our channel regularly. Thank you.